Good morning student. Today we are going to learn the chapter Equation of subject Maths of class 6. First of all, what is the meaning of equation? Equation means in mathematics the sign of equality shows that the numbers on the both its sides are equal. They may be the result of different operations on the left and right hand side. Such expressions of equality is called an equation. Okay, some examples are given here. X plus 9 is equal to 11. So, this expression is called an equation. Why this expression is called an equation? As x plus 9 is equal to 11, in this equation we see that there is the sign of equality. Okay, and this sign of equality means there are two sides are formed. Okay, on my left hand side there is left hand side of this equation, and on my right hand side there is right hand side of this equation. Means due to this sign of equality, two sides are formed. LHS, okay, LHS means left hand side is equal to RHS. Okay students, second expression is y minus 2 is equal to 7. Third is 8x is equal to 24. Here 8x means 8 multiplied by x. Fourth example is x divided by 6 is equal to 3. In this chapter we have to solve the practice set number 27. The question first is rewrite the following using letter. Okay. Student, see these examples of equation here. We see that in this equation there are some letters, okay, of English. Some alphabets are used here. Why these alphabets are used here? We have to find the value of these alphabets. If the value of any number is not known to us, we use these alphabets in the equation. And these alphabets in the equations are called variable. These alphabets in the equations are called variable. Okay. So, in this question, we have to write the variable or a letter for the unknown number. First example, the sum of a certain number and 3. We have to write the expression for these words. Okay. What is asked here? The sum of a certain number. Do we know the value of certain number? No, we don't know here the value of a certain number. So, if the value of a certain number is not known to us, we have to write alphabet from A to Z, any type of alphabet. Okay, I choose the alphabet B. Okay, B for the expression B and 3. Okay, the sum of a certain number. For certain number, I use the alphabet B. Okay, then the sum, the sign of sum is plus. Okay, means certain number is B and sum, use the sign of sum and 3. Okay, so the expression is B plus 3. Okay, the expression is B plus 3. Now, second, the product of 15 and another number. Yes, again here another number and the value of that number is not known to us. Another number. The product of 15 and another number means we have to write 15 multiplied by any number we can choose here. I choose y. Okay. 15 multiplied by y. Okay. We also write this number as 15y. Okay. We also write this expression as 15y. Now, the question number 2 is solve the equation. Solve the equation. So, first of all, what is the meaning of solution of the equation? Solution of the equation means we have to find the value of y or the value of variable in that expression. Okay. Here is the expression or equation y minus 5 is equal to 1. Y minus 5 is equal to 1. And we have to find the value of y here. To find the value of y, we have to use plus 5 in this expression, or we have to add plus 5 in this expression. Means y minus 5 as it is here already is given in the expression, and again we have to add the opposite number of that minus 5. The opposite number of minus 5 is plus 5. Okay. Means y minus plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. And while operating this action, we have to perform on both sides. Why we have to perform this action on both sides? As this is equation. Two sides must be same. We have to balance the equation. We have to maintain the equality in this equation. So, the equation was y minus 5. We have to add plus 5 on both sides of the equation. So, y minus plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Here student, minus 5 and plus 5. The addition of opposite number is 0. Means minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. So, the y is equal to 1 plus 5. Y is equal to 1 plus 5. And 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So, the solution of that equation is y is equal to 6. Now, the next equation is 4x is equal to 52. See here, variable is x and here 4 is coefficient or multiple of x. Okay. So, we have to cancel the 4. Okay. For cancelling the 4 from this expression, we have to operate opposite operations on that equation. For example, here 4 is in multiplication with x. Okay. So, we have to apply division of 4 for cancellation of x or to maintain equality on both sides. So, divide by 4 on both sides. On both sides. So, we get the expression 4x divided by 4 is equal to 52 divided by 4. Got it? Therefore, 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So, expression is x is equal to, and